Welcome back to Resourceful Living Homestead. Today we are going to do a product review on a SEESII 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw. It comes nicely packed in a case, a hard shell case. So this is going to protect it from any debris or anything like that, and all you have to do is grab it and go. So with this, you get the handheld 6-inch chainsaw, perfect for a woman. I've used this thing several times, and it is perfect. It's lightweight. You get an extra chain, so it comes with 2 chains. Comes with your bottle for your oil to oil your chain up. Comes with a brush, so after you sharpen your chain, you can use this little brush to clean any extra residue off of your chain. It comes with 2 files for filing your chain. If you want to sharpen your chain yourself, comes with two of the files. It comes with the screwdriver and this little handy tool for changing out or tightening up the chain on it. And it comes with some safety glasses, because we all know safety first. You've got your battery charger cable. It comes with not 1, but 2 batteries. Lithium-ion batteries. And you get a pair of gloves. So we are going to put this thing to the test, and we're going to go out and we're going to prune a tree. And we're going to see how good this thing works. Like I said, it's perfect for a woman because it's so small. You don't need to wait on your husband or your partner to pull out his big chainsaw. This is perfect for pruning trees and perfect for limbing trees. Perfect for a woman. Now let's go prune a tree. We're going to prune this tree up. 21 bolts. This thing works amazing. Well, guys, this right here is a great product by SEESII Power Tools. I want to thank SEESII for reaching out to us to do a review on this product. I think if you were to purchase this, it would not disappoint you. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this, you can find this in our Amazon store. There'll be a link in the description. Just go to our Amazon store and look in the gardening tools section. Thank you guys for watching. And thank you, SEESII, for sponsoring today's video of pruning the tree. We'll see you on the next one.